Hey, what's going on YouTube? Welcome back to my channel. This is Matt, and in this video, I'm going to be sharing with you some quick updates about Webtalk. Okay, so if many of you don't know, Webtalk is a social media platform. You could post like Facebook and LinkedIn, and but the only difference is you could also make money off of this by clicking on videos and ad revenue generated by the platform. Okay. Now, I'm going to be discussing with you some updates made by our CEO and Chairman RJ Gorgovich. Okay, so the new updates are as follows: daily logins, you could earn 10 points a day. You could make money, well, points that convert into money by watching video ads, and you could refer other members to the program platform, and you could earn 100 points per qualified referral. Okay, and you could enrolling in the rewards is another 100 points, and then you get getting verified, like how you get verified on Instagram or Facebook, for 1,000 points. That's coming soon. Another quick update: native videos. They're currently working on the settings that allow you to monetize your own video uploads. You'll be able to choose if you would like to run ads in your videos or not. Okay. So this is going to be kind of like a mini YouTube. So they're trying to combine all the platforms into one big mega platform. So you could earn money by not only clicking on videos, by creating content as well too. And if you choose to include ads, we will automatically inject 30-second video ads into your videos, which can be skipped after 6 seconds of playing time. As a reward member, you'll earn 10% of all revenue generated from the video ads placed in your videos. Okay, so note all public videos that receive over 100,000 views will automatically have advertisements added to them if they do not have ads prior to that milestone. Okay, so that is pretty much the update, and that's from our CEO. Now, can show you a quick overview on how to post, like just the regular posts. You just write in your post here. Okay, you could do videos. You could share files as well too, and then you could send it to these social media platforms. Okay, Twitter, Facebook, LinkedIn, and this other one right here. And then also my rewards back office. Just by referring some members, I've earned $175 already, and you can too, just by sharing this and also posting and participating daily in this. Now, if you are ready to get started, go ahead and click the link below, and remember, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Thanks again, YouTube. Have a good one. Happy New Year's to you.